Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an essential accessory for any GoPro enthusiast, the GoPro Dual Battery Charger for HERO8 and HERO7. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the GoPro Dual Battery Charger? Well, it's a convenient solution designed to charge two GoPro batteries simultaneously. If you're someone who loves capturing moments on the go, this charger allows you to keep your camera powered up while you film, so you never miss a shot. One of the standout features of the dual battery charger is its ability to charge via a USB port. This means you can easily connect it to a laptop, power bank, or even your car's USB outlet for quicker charging. If you're really looking to speed things up, you can also use the optional GoPro Supercharger, which is an international dual-port charger that enhances charging efficiency. The charger also comes equipped with dual LED lights that indicate the charging status of both batteries. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to monitor the progress at a glance. You'll know exactly when your batteries are fully charged and ready to go, making it easier to plan your adventures without the anxiety of running out of power. Now, who is this product suitable for? Primarily, it's perfect for action sport lovers, travel vloggers, or anyone who frequently uses a GoPro for their outdoor adventures. If you rely on your GoPro to capture breathtaking moments, having a dual battery charger ensures that you can always have a backup battery ready to swap in. Think about those long hiking trips or family vacations where you want to document every second. With this charger, you can charge your spare batteries while actively using your camera. No more worrying about finding an outlet or running out of battery in the middle of an epic moment. It's all about convenience and reliability. In practical terms, this charger simplifies your filming experience. Imagine being out on a beach, capturing stunning waves, and knowing that while your camera is rolling, your spare battery is being charged in your backpack. This means less downtime and more time enjoying the moment. In conclusion, the GoPro Dual Battery Charger for HERO8 and HERO7 is an invaluable accessory for anyone serious about their photography or videography. With its dual charging capability, fast charging options, and user-friendly design, it ensures that you're always ready for your next adventure. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.